Hi, y'all.
Waiting for some people to get on.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Hope everyone's doing good. We're a little bit later today. Sophie's going to be making a scrunchie today. She's using the scrunchie piece from the bow, the tie, or the scarf and bow scrunchie, but she's going to sew it like our other scrunchies because it's a little bit easier. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hello and welcome back to Sewing with Sophie. Today we are going to be sewing a scrunchie. So the things that you will need. Yesterday we sewed a planner bookmark. Thank you for all the comments and pictures. The things you will need to sew the scrunchie will be fabric scissors, paper scissors, paperweights, and elastic that is 3/8 of an inch. A piece of knit or woven fabric, and the scrunchie pattern from Made for Mermaids, or you can just cut out a piece of paper that is 4 × 18 inches. Let's get sewing. First, you need to cut out your scrunchie pattern.
So we're going to be doing this a little longer.
We're going to be doing this a little bit longer.
3 weeks. You do it every day for 3 weeks?
Yep. Alright.
Katie said she likes your shirt.
Yeah. Thank you, Katie. So take your pattern and place it on the fold of your fabric. Then place your paper weights.
They're pattern weights.
Pattern weights. I didn't know that. Then take your fabric scissors and just start cutting around. That I cut the fold. Alright, once you have that cut out, get scraps out of the way. Unfold it. Then take a short side of the fabric and fold it inwards, kind of like this. And then you can press it.
You can also just finger press it.
Or you can finger press it.
I mean, just to do it with your finger.
You. It's me.
Aw, somebody said you're adorable.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Alright,
You want to show them that end?
so this end should be folded. This end should be folded in. And then you can fold it right side to right side.
Hot dog?
Hot dog style. Then just sew a tube right here. I'm gonna move the camera.
Do you want me to do it?
No. Okay, fine, you can do it.
Let's see. I'll turn you around. They are avocado pattern weights. They're all fruits and veggies.
Adorable. So I'm gonna start right here.
Miss Minzer said hello.
Hi, Miss Binzer.
Charlie was complaining I wasn't as good as Miss Minzer at teaching today, so.
Yes, he was.
Okay.
Jennifer said, hello, Sophie, you're a rock star.
slow it down a little bit.
Thank you, Jennifer.
I was Miss Minzer. Good job. Keep going.
And once you get right about here, make
Nope.
sure you
Yeah.
pull it down.
Sorry.
And then back stitch. Cut it. Lift up your foot. And you should now have a very long tube.
I'm gonna flip it.
Now we are going to flip it. So, we're going to use this thing. Judy.
Do you want me to help you? Look. So you're gonna take a safety pin
So take a safety pin,
and you're gonna
poke it through.
Look, and then you're gonna take this and you're gonna push it through the tube.
Oh. Then you're just going to push it through the tube.
Good. So you kind of, yep. So you're gonna hold. Look, watch my hands real quick. You're gonna push,
Hold,
push,
push, hold,
push,
hold.
and you kind of pull it through. Push. So you push with that end, and you grab the front with this hand. You're gonna push it towards that hand. Yeah, it's a little tricky. There you go. You got it. Keep going. He has little Star Wars books, but he still doesn't want to do them.
I just read that and I was like,
That's Charlie's teacher.
mm.
Hi, Colleen.
I'm gonna help you just a little bit.
I'm not good at this step.
It's okay. It's hard.
Yeah.
So you're just turning it right side out.
This one's kind of slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one on the computer that's a little slower. Okay, ready?
Mhm.
Now pull it.
And you're just going to grab it, stick it down.
You gotta do it a little slowly. So you want to start from this end so it turns. There you go. There you go.
Shibuya.
Okay.
Okay.
See, now you have a tube.
Yeah, now we have this very long tube. Then, elastic. You are going to take your elastic and measure 7.5 inches. So right here, zip it. There we go.
Make sure they're sitting straight.
Okay. Then we are going to take your paper clip, poke it through.
Safety pin.
Safety pin, paper clip, whatever it's called.
Okay. Make sure them.
Then
We're gonna put the elastic through.
put the elastic through.
So you do it the same way. Push it through. Good job. The only tricky part is you don't want to push it too far or the elastic will come out.
Yes, knit fabric can be used too. Knit or woven. Hi Madeline, hi Liliana.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna hold this end. Takes a minute, it's alright. See it scrunching up?
Yeah.
That looks so cool.
Yeah.
Good job.
Ready.
Now you want to give yourself a little bit of room to work with. So
Give yourself some room to work with. You're gonna pull it. And we're gonna
You want to show them?
unclip it. That should look like a little necklace. Stretch your elastic out. Alright, now we are moving on to the sewing machine.
Oh, you want to show them what you're going to do? So I can see.
Then you're gonna zigzag, do a zigzag stitch, up and down, up and down.
You can either overlap the elastic or butt the ends together.
Yeah.
She likes to overlap it because it's a little bit easier. Okay, you ready?
Where did the sewing machine go?
So let me switch this for you. Are they overlapped?
Help me.
Here, it's easier if you lift that,
Mm.
then slide it under, and then as soon as they're overlapped, you'll just put the foot down so it holds it. Do you get it? So
And we're
start,
gonna go very slow.
and then just go forward, backwards.
And go down to go back. And just let go. Let it do its magic. And let it go back. Do this a few times. And then go forward. And go back.
It's probably good, sis.
Okay, then.
Good job.
Alright. You should have it sewn together just like this.
Nope, you can stay there, baby.
Okay.
Do you want to trim those?
Yeah. Then take your tiny alligator scissors. Just go. Clip it. Then you're going to take these.
You're going to take the end that's not folded, and you're going to
Shove it
slip
through.
it inside the end that is folded. You want to show them?
Just like this. So it's like a scrunchie.
And then you're going to stitch right on top. The other way we do this is by burrito rolling it, and I do have a video on that. It is a little bit more difficult for small hands to burrito roll it, so she likes to do it this way. Keep going. Mr. Penley said hi.
Hi, Mr. Penley. How you doing?
Okay, that's good, baby.
Alrighty. Then we can just snip it, lift it up.
Want to trim it?
Then we are going to trim it. Take your tiny alligator scissors. So, and then you're just going to go snip, snip, snip. And there you have it.
Want to come back over here?
Scrunchie. A scrunchie. That's what it says.
Oh.
I'm going to wave.
Oh, okay.
Hi.
There you go.
Okay. Then you have your scrunchie. You can wear it on your wrist. Put your hair up with it. Come in tomorrow and we will be making a crayon roll.
What you gonna do?
Yep, crayon roll.
Okay.
What's that?
Well, she says
Yeah.
crown. She means crayon.
Crayon.
I know, you say it like me. It's okay.
Crayon.
So we're going to do the roll up tomorrow, and
Yep.
we'll try to come on about 2. About 2?
Yeah.
Oh, don't put your hands in. Say see you tomorrow. Tomorrow you just need a couple woven fabrics and some ribbon.
Something happened.
You popped the elastic. It's okay. I can help you.
Thank you for watching.
Say see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.